Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to part 2. In this video, we'll continue where we left off and go deeper into the important details. Start simple. Pat the pork skin very dry with paper towels. For best results, leave it uncovered on a plate in the fridge overnight, even 2 hours helps. Score the skin in shallow crosshatch or strips. Don't cut deep into meat, you want to open the surface, not slice through the whole piece. Salt matters, but timing matters too. Salt pulls moisture out. That's good, but if you salt very early, you may need to pat dry again before cooking. Scoring gives steam a path to escape, which helps bubbles form. Think of it like venting a lid so pressure doesn't get trapped. How to make chicharrones pork crispy every time, oven method and fried method. Great chicharrones usually follow the same pattern, render, then crisp. First you melt out some fat and dry the skin, then you hit it with higher heat so it puffs and hardens. No matter which method you use, watch for these doneness cues. The skin turns golden to deep golden in spots. You see active bubbling and blistering on the surface. It feels crisp after a short cool down. Hot chicharrones can feel a bit flexible, then they harden. A quick safety note. Hot fat can pop. Keep skin dry, don't overcrowd, and use long tongs. Calm, steady cooking beats rushing. Easy oven-baked chicharrones with bubbly, crunchy skin. Oven chicharrones are a good choice if you want less splatter and an easy batch. Heat the oven to a lower temperature to start, think moderate, not blazing. Place the skin pieces on a rack over a sheet pan, skin side up. Let the skin slowly render. You'll see fat drip to the pan, and the surface will look drier. If fat pools, carefully pour it off into a heat-safe container. Once the skin looks dry and slightly tightened, raise the oven to a higher heat to crisp and puff. Rotate the pan once for even browning. If you want extra blistering, use the broiler at the very end, but watch it the whole time. It can go from perfect to scorched fast. When they're done, move pieces to a rack, not a flat plate. Airflow keeps the bottoms from softening. Classic fried chicharrones for the loudest crunch. Fried chicharrones can puff dramatically, and the crunch is hard to beat. There are 2 common paths, and both work. Path 1. Water then fat method, great for raw skin pieces. Put pork skin in a heavy pot with a splash of water. Cook over medium heat. As the water cooks off, the fat begins to render. The pieces will shrink and firm up. Once the pot is mostly fat and the bubbling changes, less steamy, more frying, raise the heat a bit. The skin will start to blister and puff. Path 2. Straight fry, best when skin is very dry. Heat enough oil or rendered pork fat to cover the bottom of the pot by at least an inch. Start at medium heat so the skin dries and renders, then move toward medium-high to puff and crisp. Keep it safe and crisp. Add only dry skin to the pot. Use a splatter screen if you have one. Don't crowd the pot, crowding drops the heat and makes chicharrones greasy. Pull pieces when they're deep golden and loud sounding when tapped with tongs, then drain on a rack. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.